So, dear professionals, today we are going to talk in this session about effect of coal physical and chemical parameters or properties on boiler. The coal physical and chemical properties we have learned, how to measure them in session 2, the analysis and sampling in session 1, and we have also learned about the stone measurement and combustion calculations earlier. Now it's time to, tell you about the effect of these properties on the boiler. The transportation of coal is affected, influenced by properties of coal like moisture. The mainly is moisture and the ash content. You are actually transporting coal which is having high moisture, then you are actually transporting water. In fact, you are spending money on water. And also ash, if you are having high ash coal being transported, that means that you are unnecessarily transporting or on the cost of ash. Then storage of coal, yes, that is also a property which influences the storage of coal like volatile matter. If the volatile matter is high during the storage of coal, you will have spontaneous combustion. And also moisture loss would be there as air drying effect will happen on the top of the coal. At least to 6 inch to 7 inch of the coal or the top will dry up. The design of the boiler is dependent on the coal properties, and deviation from the design of the boiler plus minus 5% from the coal properties, then you will have a lot of problem regarding combustion and all, which we are going to learn in the subsequent slides. In combustion performance, it is dependent on the presence of the volatile matter, presence of carbon in the coal, and also hydrogen, and how much hydrogen is going to take away the heat, latent heat of evaporation and all. And then mill performance, it is dependent on the hard groove index of the coal. If the hard groove index of the coal is low, that means coal is harder, then you may have to face a lot of challenges during its milling. That also we will learn, and we will also learn about the performance of the boiler losses, how much losses could occur due to an increase or deviation by 1% in the moisture or the ash content and all. And then slagging and fouling index we will learn. So fuel selection of for a power generation plays a very key role in achieving required gross heat rate and combustion efficiency of the boiler, and identifying the best suited equipment and pollution control systems are affected. Thus, the success of the power plant will depend on the source and type of fuel supplied as well as the equipment design. Nowadays, supercritical and ultra supercritical power plants are there, and which can achieve 40% to 45% of efficiency respectively. So, fuel characteristic can have a significant impact on the overall performance of a power plant and its economics. Therefore, understanding the effects and taking mitigation measures are important.